Hey everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to comment in Clubhouse. I wonder why you want to know how to comment in Clubhouse. Maybe because you have seen a post or maybe any room, so you just want to express your opinion. Or maybe you just want to say something like they have asked something, so you want to tell about it. Or maybe you just want to appreciate by typing your comment. Or there could be any other reason for you to write a comment in a post or maybe in a room or in a house in Clubhouse. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can comment in Clubhouse. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, we have to make sure that you have already installed the Clubhouse app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app gets installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Clubhouse app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. This is how the app looks. We have some of the options at the top and some of the options at the bottom as well. And into the middle of the screen, we have different rooms that you could join, listen to them, comment them, and can be a part of these. Other than we have this explore section, there you could explore different rooms, houses, and people. And in the houses, if you have joined any houses, you can access to them here. So now if you want to comment, you have to go to that room or maybe into any other place. So let's say we have all these rooms here. Here we have plenty of rooms available. So you can join any one of these, whatever you like with the name of it, or maybe in general, you can just simply click on it. Once you click on that, you will see this interface or maybe different based on what room you have joined and how many people are there. As you can see this option chat, just simply click on it, and with the help of this option you can write your comment here. In comment you can write anything, whatever you like, you can type about it. It could be any kind of appreciation towards anybody, or maybe if the person has asked something so you can answer it, or if someone has said something so you can share your experience regarding that thing. And once you have done typing your thing, just simply click on this option. It will just take a while, and after that your comment will be pasted. So here you can see the comment has been pasted. Likewise, you can type anything whatever you like and just simply click on send, and after that this comment will be uploaded and all the people that are included into that room conversation could read it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can comment in Clubhouse. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.